So I bought a $100 mini fridge. That barely even works as a mini fridge. So how y'all day going? Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I finally got the Target exclusive Xbox Replica mini fridge. Well, mini fridge. Like it says in the box, it's a replica, so it's not gonna be like an actual mini fridge or anything like that. Especially in a box like this size, you're not gonna find no regular mini fridge over here. But I've been seeing this at Target when I've been trying to get my Xbox Series X, and it's been right next to the Xbox Series X because they've been getting these in stock like fairly recently. Basically, they ain't been that hard to find at my Target. So I finally got one, and I know they're going for like $300 even on eBay, like it's crazy. I don't know who would want to pay $300 for this, but I mean, do your thing, I guess. So a little while ago, Xbox actually sent out an actual size mini fridge to a few YouTubers, and I think even Snoop Dogg, I know like iJustine and all them got it. So now they got like a smaller version of that. And today I want to go and check it out because $100, honestly, it ain't that bad. Well, for Microsoft and Xbox it ain't, but like if you just bought a regular mini fridge this size, yeah, I'd be heated. But hey, it's for YouTube, right? Let's go and check this thing out there. So in the front of the box, we got the Xbox logo with Xbox Series X Replica mini fridge thermoelectric cooler. And the thing is about this, I already got like one of these types of mini fridges up in my room. I don't know if it'll fit in the same spot, but like I already got one of these and I don't use it that much, probably because there ain't that much room in there. This has a decent amount more room, so maybe I'll try it out. Looking at the bottom of the box, so it says great addition for your gaming area, portable design, perfect for car, RV, or truck. Includes USB port for charging, and you get a 10-liter capacity. And then at the bottom right, it just shows only at Target. Now, one dope thing about this fridge, and it shows right here on the side of the box, but it says top of the fridge and Xbox Sphere light up. So that's actually pretty cool. The top of the fridge don't even light up on the actual Xbox. So now we do on the fridge. I got my actual Series X upstairs, so we'll get that in a minute. But for right now, let's go ahead and unbox this actual thing here. So let's go ahead and get this box open. And we got some styrofoam here. Let's go and get that out. And now we got the actual fridge. Oh, snap. There we go. All right, okay, so this wasn't the best way for me to unbox this, but whatever. All right, so we got a fridge here. So it's not the actual size of the Xbox, but that's probably a good thing too. But if you look at the fridge here, like, oh man, it's honestly, it's dusty and all, but it's not that bad. So looking around this, it seemed like it was used. I'm gonna just say that out there right now because I see fingerprints and everything, so I'm not too sure about this. But we can see here, we got the actual fridge, the Xbox button, and don't press in or anything. It's just the Xbox logo. But check this out. Yes, sir, we got an actual fridge up in here. So this is a lot bigger than the actual fridge that I got in my room right now. I just got like maybe 4 cans you could put in there max. So you could put honestly, you could put a decent amount of stuff in here. I'm actually impressed. So the inside don't look used at all, but I can see here we got a couple of things over here. So we got the power cable in here. So this one's for your house and this one's for your car. We got an instruction manual, but you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side. Or maybe it just comes back to me, all right. But yeah, take a look inside the fridge. So that's a lot more room than I thought we was working with at first. But look at this, we actually got some dope things in here. Like we can go ahead and take out the trays in here so you can make more room in your fridge. And we can take both of them out so you got all this room right there you can work with. Yeah, honestly, I was skeptical if I was gonna return this or not, but I don't think I'm gonna be returning this. It's gonna be pretty useful. So obviously we got that green and black theme here, as you can see, that goes with the whole Xbox branding, obviously. And at the top, you can see that it kind of looked like an Xbox too. So like we got these circles here at the top that kind of represent an Xbox-ish in a way. Even on the back of this thing, you can see that we got some big glorified, obviously they don't work, but we got like an Ethernet port, we got a couple USB ports, we got an expansion slot. We got all that on here. Honestly, I'm really feeling this here. We even got some options here at the back. So on the back here, we get a DC 12-volt outlet. So that's where we go ahead and plug it into our car. We got an eco, off, and max switch. We got a light here at the back, and then we got an AC 128-volt outlet for the house. We got an Xbox logo, copyright 2021, Microsoft Corporation. We got all that right there. And it looked like this was made in collaboration with some other company called Uconic or something like that. I don't think I'm saying it right. I just want to go ahead and plug this thing in real quick. So let's go and do that. All right, y'all. So we're in my kitchen right now, and this is the fridge I actually got now, and I actually found some stuff up in here which I didn't even know I got up in here. That's the fridge I got now. This is my new Xbox Replica fridge, and this ain't gonna fit in my room. Well, I could make room, but I don't want to. And look at this, we actually got some stuff here in the front I didn't really even notice. So we got this button right here, which actually works. So if you go ahead and press that, it's gonna turn on the light here at the top. So that's what the light's gonna look like here. And then we got a glowing Xbox logo, which doesn't turn off from what I can see. I don't think you could turn that off, but we can just go ahead and turn on and off that light here at the top. We got this here imitating a disc tray. We got the sync button, which okay, so that does actually work here. So that's gonna turn on and off the Xbox light. And then we got an actual working USB port here in the front, which is dope. So let me show y'all that real quick. And bang, just like that, the phone's actually charging off of the fridge. This is so dope. So I'm actually gonna go and leave the Xbox logo on, because if you're gonna buy this thing, you gotta have all the lights on except for maybe at night. Now here's the thing, I didn't even turn on the fridge yet. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on max, and there we go. Now, okay, so now you can actually kind of hear this thing. You can definitely hear that fridge. It's a little loud, so maybe we might want to go ahead and put it on eco. And yeah, it's definitely quieter. But putting it on max, you can definitely hear this thing. It's not all that quiet, but there is the fan here at the top. I'm feeling it here at the bottom. It's already getting cold, so I wouldn't imagine it would take that long to get cold. And then they got this right here, which they call the snack drawer. So you can go and put all your snacks up in here. So dope, man. I think it's worth the money, in my opinion. In terms of how cold this is, I looked it up on the user manual, and they said it gets 36 degrees below room temperature. So that's not bad. Now with Wisconsin sales taxes, I paid about 105, 106 bucks after taxes. So honestly, again, it's not that bad. It's not a bad price for this at all. So far, I recommend this thing, but at the same time, I'm in the honeymoon phase. I'm like hype right now. I haven't even seen this thing or felt this thing get cold yet. It's getting cold. I can feel it getting cold in here, but it's not really that cold yet. All right, so now for the real question, putting it side by side with an actual Xbox Series X. So it's a decent size difference, as you can see right here. So that's a good thing for me. I was thinking it was going to be the actual size of an Xbox Series X, but it's not, so it's cool. And this is everything side by side with the replica fridge. We got the Series X, and then we got my Frigidaire fridge that's been up in my room. So honestly, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this fridge here in my basement. Now the thing is, I already got a mini fridge already in my basement, so I don't know exactly if I want to keep it down there, but I'll see. It'll definitely help with more storage though, so that's one thing I'm looking forward to. But I'm gonna get up out of here, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at ESETech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And let me know what y'all thought about the replica fridge, and would y'all actually get one? If you can find one at your Target, I think you should get one, because especially if you have a Series X already. If you got a Series X already, I think this is gonna complement it well if you can even find it in your Target in the first place. But I need to do some more testing with the cooling and all that to make sure it's all good. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go get up out of here. So hopefully I enjoyed this, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then.